Spring break is not necessarily normal this year, but it's, we're getting back toward it. But what was the inspiration for Pittscation?
Yeah, so within my position at the city, I work with a lot of area partners to come up with ideas to bring events to the area. And with spring break not being normal, having it back-ended for Pitt State students, we wanted, and with COVID still, a lot of families aren't traveling the way they normally would, we wanted to provide something so that families could relax or students could have a chance to get out, get in the community. The weather is beautiful. It's starting to get a little bit nicer, get out of that cold weather, and just get out, relax, and not have to pay a ton of money to do these things either.
Is that often an obstacle that you find just as a whole, especially as the weather gets warmer, is, ways to, a financial barrier into these activities? I mean, everything from, not just pickleball, but we're talking about yoga classes and things like that. Is that sometimes what's keeping people from doing them?
A financial barrier can be for students who can't afford to go off and have like the crazy spring break vacation at the beach, or even families who, the last year's been really tough for everybody. And, is a yoga class really going to make the cut on a need for this month? I think also just educationally, I know I didn't know about Crawford State Park or some of these other like really great outdoor amenities that our county has until we even started planning this week. And so I think that just letting people know that we have these great amenities in our community, let's show them off, make them free for the week, and get out and enjoy them, and just see if it's something that you'd be interested in doing again later.
There's so many different activities you guys have lined up. What have you done? What do you have planned?
So we did a bike ride on Saturday, which was really fun. We have an active transportation advisory board, and one of their members led that bike ride through some trails in our community. We also had free kayaking yesterday out at Crawford State Park. Friends of Crawford State Park took a bunch of their own kayaks out to Farlington Lake and offered them to students. Students went out and kayaked and had hot dogs by the campfire and just experienced it in a way they probably wouldn't have been able to otherwise, or really known about.
Yeah, that's too cool.
And then tonight we're playing pickleball out here at Schlinger Park. So lots of different things. We've got tons of events all week and just showing off different aspects of our community that can be hidden at times.
Schnelly Sheep